Welcome to Sleight of Doug. It's Doug Wonder here. Have you ever heard of the ghost tube? No? Well, what if you could take a piece of paper, roll it up into a tube, and with just a wave of your hand, something appears? Well, I'm going to show you how right now. This is just a rolled up piece of cardboard. Hey, maybe you guys can try this at home. Here, look inside. Can you see me?
Go to one.
I'll bring it close.
Camera.
Look at that. See that? You can see me on the other side. Now, what's really cool about this is if you guys use your wands, we can create a little bit of magic. It's completely empty right now, but we want to make something appear inside. So on the count of 3, I want everyone to say magic. And you must shake your wands just like this, all right? We're going to shake them in a circle. Shake them in a circle like this, all right? On the count of 3, everybody say magic. 1, 2, 3.
Magic.
Oh, very good. Let me see if I shake mine. Let's see. Keep shaking them. Let's see if we can make, there's something appearing inside. I think it's, silk. Wow. You guys did amazing. All right, guys, so here's the explanation for the ghost tube. First thing you'll need is either a large piece of paper or you can get a piece of construction paper is what I have here. And these are just rubber bands that are holding the construction paper together. So I'm going to take these rubber bands off and we are going to get into exactly how you construct the ghost tube. Now you may choose. I've been saving these for years.
Cut it up.
A different type of performance or a different piece of paper. This is the construction paper I chose, and this is exactly how you set it up. Just one piece of construction paper. I chose to go with a construction paper that has a print on it. I went to Michael's. Once you get the construction paper, now you want to take it and you just want to roll it up. Because I know the first reaction when I say roll it up, everybody's going to roll it tight. Tube, and you want to roll it a little loose. All right. And once you have it rolled up, you'll notice that it may still be really tight. Mine is because I had the rubber band on it. So what you'll want to do is you'll just want to take the inside and grab a piece of the inside and just twist it counter to what you've rolled up. That'll help you loosen it up just a little bit. And at this point, once you have your tube put together, you then want to take the rubber bands and you can close it off. You're actually going to look inside of this tube and you'll notice that you've got 3 or 4 different layers of the construction paper being rolled up. So what you're then going to do is you're actually going to push one of these to the side, and this is where you're going to load in your silk. So this is the secret. All you're going to do is take maybe the first roll from the inside out. You take that first roll, you just kind of pull it to the side just a little bit, so you get sort of a little gap in between the other two. You're going to load the silk right inside of here. So let's do that now. Now we have our silk. Our silk is ready to go. You can use any type of silk you like. I would use something that's really contrasting to whatever color construction paper you have. So I like to use this. It's got a few circles and dots. I actually picked this up at SleightOfDoug.com. So if you guys want to grab yourself a silk, you can head over to SleightOfDoug.com. We'll pop a link up right here. All right, perfect. All right, shameless plug. All right, guys, so I wanted to show you a little tip of how to place your silk into the secret well. You might want to take a pencil, erase your side, and just take your silk and push it down just like that. What that does is that kind of helps it to slide down a little better and not bunch up as much. You still may have it bunch up, but I've seen that by using the pencil, it does allow it to kind of slide down towards the side of the cardboard rather than bunching up towards the inner circle. Okay, so once you have this pushed down just like that, all right, you want to take a peek inside. and make sure that your silk cannot be seen, which it cannot. A good rule of thumb is that if the end of the construction paper is on one side, you want to put the silk in on the opposite side so there's no way for it to peek through. So once you guys have done that, we've got our silk right here in the secret well, and this is where you'll be looking through. So you look through this way, you can see the bottom here. There's my hand down here. Okay, you can see the bottom. And then when you turn it to the other side, you can still see the bottom. Here's my hand here, you can see the bottom. You guys now know how to roll up the construction paper, how to construct the secret well. So if you guys need to, make sure you guys go back, check out the performance video. The most important part is make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Also, be sure to hit that bell. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, my name's Doug Wonder, and before you go, here's an unusual thought I'd like to leave you with. Why does quicksand work slowly? Yeah, that's an unusual thought.